Hello, welcome. This is Blockchain Bloom, the blockchain educator. I'm Attila Pinky, and in today's video, I'm going to talk about that Jamie Dimon made another crypto hater speech. And let's talk about this situation. What happened in the past when he just did the same? Okay, the second thing I would like to talk about is that the Bitcoin price, crypto is going up, but it looks like that retail traders still waiting on the side. And the third news is all about that Russia debuts cross-border payment in Tether stablecoins. So guys, all this in today's video, and don't forget, every single day I bring you the freshest cryptocurrency and blockchain related news here on Blockchain Bloom. So if you don't want to miss a single thing, then simply subscribe. I'm bringing you short videos, longer videos. So yeah, doing everything to keep you up to date. And also, if you like this kind of content that I'm creating, then simply hit the like button, highly appreciated. So let's do it. Okay, and for a start, let's have a look at the prices. Well, okay, let's zoom in a little bit. Okay, we can see that Bitcoin is 1.8% down, 43,244 US dollar. Ethereum 0.4% down, 2,251 US dollar. Then we're looking at the gainers here in the top 100. Number one is with 22%. Ordi. Then we have Helium 18%, Beam going up 6%. When we're looking at the losers, BitTorrent is going down 20%, Pepe 7%, Render about 7%. And when we're looking at the Bitcoin candlestick chart, then we can see that yesterday we formed a tiny little red candle, and this story basically continues. So we will see, will this 42,000-ish level, hold as support? Well, we're going to see it because, we had such a tremendous, pump here. So some correction is totally healthy, and then we can continue, to be honest with you. Right. Okay. And now let's talk about the first topic I brought you. And this is that Jamie Dimon, the CEO of JP Morgan, made another speech against Bitcoin and crypto. Let's listen to it and let's talk about the details. So first of all, let me play the clip for you.
Deeply opposed to crypto, Bitcoin, etc. You pointed out the only true use case for it is criminals, drug traffickers, anti-money laundering, tax avoidance, and that is a use case because it is somewhat anonymous, not fully, and because you can move money instantaneously, and because it doesn't go through, as you mentioned, all these systems have built up over many years, know your customer, sanctions, OFAC. They can bypass all of that. If I was the government, I'd close it down.
Okay.
Close it down. Okay, so yeah, here you can see just what he said here on the screen. And yeah, basically he said he would close it down. How to close down Bitcoin is also a good question. But anyway, this is what he's still aiming for. And he was never a big fan of crypto, at least publicly, right? Because on the other hand, we do know that the guys behind accumulating, Bitcoin. Listen to this video. This is also very interesting.
September 12th, Jamie Dimon says Bitcoin is a fraud. He says he'll fire any one of his traders buying Bitcoin. Bitcoin drops 24%. When Jamie Dimon speaks, people listen. People listen. So that weekend, we found out that the largest buyer of a Bitcoin fund that's in Europe that buys physical Bitcoin, right? The largest buyer was Morgan Stanley and JP Morgan. And that's not illegal.
He says it's a fraud.
It says he'll fire anyone that buys it. Yes.
And at the same time, his company is buying it.
His company is buying it.
It's just, so unethical.
Yeah, so no surprise. So now question mark. Maybe JP Morgan needs some more Bitcoin jumping on the train. Therefore, they would like to push down the Bitcoin price a little bit. Therefore, Jamie Dimon is saying these kind of things. And of course, this question, it was an answer to the question from Elizabeth Warren, who is another person against crypto in the United States. But yeah, this is probably not enough to stop Bitcoin and the whole crypto industry worldwide. But yeah, we always had it in the past. Now I think less and less people listen to Jamie Dimon, because in the past it was totally different. But now the whole, crypto industry, it's so hot and so bullish that people in a bullish trend avoid these kind of things and not really listening. And he said if he was the government, then he would do it. But he's not. And on the other hand, how to close down Bitcoin, by the way. So, if he's asking his people, saying that, okay, and now the order is to close down Bitcoin. Okay, Jamie, how to do it? I don't know. Figure it out. Okay, still doing it. Figuring out. Okay, then the next topic I would like to talk about is all about that it looks like that retail traders still waiting on the sideline despite of this huge Bitcoin and crypto market price increase. So we have this pump, but it looks like that it's not because of the retail guys joined the game. So Bitcoin price hit 2023 high. So why are retail traders waiting on the sidelines? And the thing is that we had a very bad bear market. Bear market with lots of FUD, you name it. Celsius, Wager, the big one, FTX collapse, and so on and so forth. Therefore, the majority, the retail investors, just got sick and tired, and many of them just escaped, not listen to the crypto news anymore, not following it anymore. And on the other hand, we shouldn't forget that our economy worldwide is in pretty bad shape, and this is what people feel. They feel the inflation. So now they're rather worried about how they put food on the table and also how they pay their rent than investing. And how it goes usually, Bitcoin price goes up, reaching new highs, new all-time highs, then going parabolic. And that is the time when the majority wakes up and saying, oh, by the way, is crypto back? It's hot again. Let's do it. Just like last time, but now do it better. No, you don't, because you again joined it late. So bottom line is, if you are an investor, it doesn't matter it's crypto, it doesn't matter it's real estate or it's gold, whatever. You always scoop up when the price of that asset is cheap, and you sell when the price is going up. And it's so simple, but it's extremely difficult to do it. At least statistically, this is what we can see. The majority is losing. So when Bitcoin was down in the bear market, we had visited numbers all the way down to 15,400. The majority of the retail said, not buying it. This is going to down even more or even die. And now when it's coming up, still, now they're waiting for the correction. Okay, so now the correction, not now buying. 25, waiting for the correction. Okay, 30 something, waiting for correction. 40 something, waiting for correction. When it's going to be 10K, then I'm going to buy it. Will it be? Well, it's up to you if you wait. But bottom line is that always the FOMO is when everybody is talking about it, even the bus driver, and no offense, but I'm just saying that people who are not expert in this, in crypto, in finance, and then all the friends saying these great ideas that I just heard in the news, that the Bitcoin is skyrocketing and it's time to join. No, that's usually late. So yet again, the guys, the retail investors, traders are waiting aside. Why? Institutional investors, they just kind of, getting in on time, put it this way. Okay, and now the third topic I would like to talk about, it's all about that Russia debuts cross-border payments in Tether stablecoin. So it looks like then Russia figured out how to do cross-border payments easily in crypto, because Russia debuts cross-border payments in a Tether stablecoin. So the XBED, one of the first cross-border payment platforms in Russia, has officially announced its launch and says it will be facilitating local legal entities to process international settlements in cryptocurrency. So exit platform specifically allows one to proceed with cross-border transactions using Tether stablecoin USDT alongside with offshore ruble and the US dollar. So the goal of the project is to help Russian legal entities to make cross-border payments without intermediaries at the minimum market rates. Yeah, so it's happening. So it looks like Russia is taking an advantage on crypto. Guys, that's it for today. Don't forget, every single day I bring you the freshest cryptocurrency and blockchain news here on Blockchain Bloom. If you would like to keep yourself up to date, because I'm making short videos, longer videos, a lot of videos every day, then simply just subscribe to this YouTube channel, because the goal is to stay up to date, know what's happening, because then you can react or actually be proactive, because you know the direction we're going. And yeah, also, if you like this kind of content when I'm creating, then definitely hit the like button. Highly appreciate it. And see you in the next one. Have a good one. Bye-bye.